Leadership skills are what set you apart from other employees when you're applying for a job. Leadership is a desire to make a difference. It takes direction, achievement, and cohesiveness. Leadership is being credible, being honest, being forward-looking, being inspiring, and being competent. Leadership is a set of practices. Challenge the process. Model the way. Inspire a shared vision. Encourage the heart. Enable others to act. Leadership is being able to motivate, being able to listen, being able to delegate, being able to plan ahead, being able to set goals for themselves. Myths about leaders and leadership. Myth 1. There is little knowledge about leadership. Myth 2. All leaders are born with unique qualities. Myth 3. Leaders make all the group's decisions. Myth 4. All leaders are popular, charismatic individuals. Myth 5. To lead requires election or appointment. Myth 6. It is a rare skill. Myth 7. Leaders control, direct, or produce. Myth 8. Leadership exists only at the top, a high position in an organization. Teamwork skills. Some vocabulary associated with teamwork include diversity, a state of difference, respect, to regard as worthy of special consideration, cooperation, operating together to one end, gossip, to chat or talk too much, chain of command, a system whereby authority passes down from the top through a series of executive positions or military ranks in which each is accountable to one direct supervisor. Problem solving, the thought process involved in solving a problem. Harassment, a feeling of intense annoyance caused by being tormented. Don't make assumptions. Don't assume a female cannot work in a job traditionally held by males. Don't assume a male cannot work in a job traditionally held by females. Don't assume a person growing up in a rural area doesn't know much about life in the city. Express your ideas. Speak up and be heard if you have an idea. Compromise. All group members involved in the project cannot lead. Take turns leading on various projects. Lead or follow. Consider your abilities for each task assigned and determine if you would be the better leader on this project or another project. Cooperate. Group members will not always agree. Have a group vote and go with the consensus of the group. Your plan could be chosen next time. Accept criticism. View every experience as an opportunity to learn and grow. Utilize criticism as a way to better yourself on the next activity or project. Do your fair share. Put in as much effort as possible regardless of what everyone else is doing. Always know you have done your best. Avoid gossip and conflict. Don't take sides. Keep negative comments to yourself. Try to find a positive in every situation. Be sensitive to the feelings of others. If one member is shy, encourage him or her to share his or her feelings and comments. Be careful with your words. Be tolerant and respectful. Remember someone else's circumstances are different from your own. Accept difference. Celebrate difference. Each person brings a wide variety of experiences to the group. Be dependable and trustworthy. Stick to deadlines. Keep promises. Don't let your group down. Question yourself and others. Keep an open mind. Listen from each experience and learn from each experience. Critique the idea, but not the person. Be careful of critiquing group members' personalities or actions. Critique the group as a whole rather than singling out group members.